But now it's time for a new benchmark to be set by McLaren. Our mission for the 750S was clear, I mentioned earlier. Side of the car, we have a comprehensive step where the screen is redefined with
Lantana purple. We saw this car on a channel a few days ago.
Yes, I'm very happy to take you on a little tour of the stand today. So we have the 750S, as you mentioned, which this car is debuting here today at the Geneva International Motor Show in Doha. We haven't revealed this car to the audience until now. We're very hopeful that we will have some high net worth individuals and VIPs come up and experience the car, as well as some fans who can engage with us over the Grand Prix weekend.